how to make a custom plushie soft toy. Hello, my name is St.Claire and this is the world's most underground craft channel. Today we are making our own custom plushie soft toys, like stuffed animal type things, and to show you how easy it is, we are making an anatomically correct crocodile. Woo woo! Have a look. Can everyone see the plan? To start, we are going to be making the inner organs, the heart and ovaries, kidneys, that sort of stuff. And then we are going to be making the skin of a crocodile and putting it in that. Simple. I know. First thing I did was cut out the shapes. They can be any shape. Step 2, flip it over, pin it to another piece of fabric, and then cut that out. If this is your first time, welcome, welcome. I don't know how you've found me, but I am glad you are here. And if you would like to follow along, I am mainly making this out of scrap fabric. This one, Christmassy, this one, favorite color, this one, and this one. You will also need this stuff. Now we sew those two pieces together. Don't forget to leave a little hole because you will need to flip it inside out, which is exactly what I am doing right here. I also forgot to say why we're doing this. We're doing this because this is crafts and we can do whatever we want. Last step, sew it closed. And that's it! That is how you make the inner organs of a plushie crocodile. Simple. We've got kidneys, esophagus, and the other one, ovaries, 2 ovaries right here. The guts, it'll go like, I'm just gonna jam, it's just gonna look like that. Lungs, stomach, can't remember what this is, and heart. I know we're doing anatomical, but cute. But I do have something to tell you, sorry. That little montage intro bit, excuse me, that took me 2 weeks to film, which like is too long for a little job like that, I reckon. So that is why I've decided no sleep till we're getting it done. I think we're gonna be up all night, so let's just slow it down. I can't help it, I just work really slow and I get quite distracted. Honestly, if you're ever thinking, hey, I wonder what St.Claire is doing right now, this very second, 80% of the time it is going to be I'm making crafts very, very slowly, or I'm mindlessly watching things on the internet. Excuse me. Do need to make the skeleton. Oh, we'll go head like that. Arms, and then a whole bunch of ribs. You are going to be tricky because I got lazy when it came to pinning. And there is the skeleton of the crocodile. And while we sew it together, oh my god, there's a chance it's gonna rain. It better not rain. I was gonna use this part of the video to like teach you some things, like what these little bits at the top here mean and what these mean, but I am still learning. I forgot to say at the beginning of this, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just figuring it out as I go along. Just trying to have some fun along the way, really. And I'm just a man sitting in his garden with a sewing machine. Whoa. I think bugs are starting to come out. Also, if this is your first time watching the show, welcome. What is this? Ah, I burnt myself. I don't know if it's one bug that keeps coming back or if it's different bugs, but that is the sewing skeleton. Oh, what is? I left a big hole. Let's see if it works with the hem on the outside. So is everyone loving themselves? I hope so. This is difficult, you know? If I ignore them, they will leave me alone. There, sorry. Sorry. I'm sorry, oh wow, look at the sky. What a pretty sky. Oh my goodness, that one's a good one too. Looking for light. That looks good, but this is supposed to be the skeleton, and what do we say? Sometimes things just don't work. I don't know what we're gonna do with this because I can't even get my fingers into the rib holes. That's just pen. I've drawn that. You do need to put it inside out. That's like a really key part of it. So let's get this off. But the sky doesn't look like that through real life. This is crazy. Okay, party time. Let's hit the music, make the skin, stuff it, and be done by morning. It's been 2 weeks since I filmed that last bit. Since seeing this, I haven't really wanted to work on this because I'm pretty sure what I'm going to make is going to be ugly. And I've been scared of that. But we're gonna keep going. We're gonna stay up all night, get the job done, even if it's not going to look good. And do you know how I know it's going to be ugly? Because this is my plan. I don't know what I'm doing or how to do this. I'm just gonna make some triangle bits along the back, 2 of them, and they'll join it, the tail, and make different legs and attach those in a mouth with teeth. Let's just figure it out. And there we go. There we go. Shh, 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 shh. People are sleeping. There we go. There we go. There. Now we just have to fill the old dog up. What is the order? Lungs, one at a time. It feels so good to be nearly done. Ovaries, the green tube. Still don't know what this one is. And then tummy, go under your mouth. I'm like done. It does look like the plan. So, that's not bad. That's not bad. Couple of things I learnt in this project. If you ever want to make your own custom plushie soft toy, give yourself a lot of time. This is, whoa. Ooh, and hard. You've got to hold things together hard and then sew. You know what? I'm really proud of this one. I'm really, really, really proud of this one. I think he's a cute little guy. Thank you for watching. My name is St.Claire. Yeah, wow. It is 4:45 a.m. 3:45 a.m. Click links.